Hello there. So what I want to do is use Workato to create this kind of a choice list, right? When you create your workbot for Microsoft Teams, so that whenever you create this kind of choice list, it will be automatically populated with different choices dynamically, right? So you don't type them, they come from somewhere else. So how you do that is, let's just create quickly new recipes. This will be my Salesforce contacts, pick list, which is actually called choice set in Microsoft Teams. So we'll select workbot for Microsoft Teams, select new command, and just for testing, say contacts, contacts list, and then I'll do nothing here. Hit the save button. I'll go to next, hit this action in app. And then what I want to do is now look up for the choice list that I want to display, right? So here you can do a SQL query, like whatever you want, but I will do simple lookup table. And here is an example of lookup table that I have. So I will search for leads and it will return me this list. And then I'll put it inside the dropdown. So I'll do search entry, select leads, and then select which of those fields I want to search it by, and I'll hit type lead. And then the final one is, again, I'll select workbot, do the reply, post reply message. And here is when you need to do the configuration. So what you need to do is you need to add a new block, and that block is called a choice set. That choice set can be of different types. This is a different kind of choice set. If you want me to make a separate video on how to do this one specifically, please make a comment below. But the difference is between those ones is that this is a radio drop down and drop down, which you can just pick one of the from the list. And this one, it's a dynamic list, which also will search in your database and populate depending on the what you search for dynamically. So if you select one of those, like for example, drop down menu with the filter, give it a name, contacts, let's say my contacts. And then here where you need to do the magic. So what you do is you add one of the choices and then go here and then switch from fixed list to dynamic list, right? Don't do it here at the top, because if you do it here at the top, what it will do is just repeat everything. It will make multiple drop downs for you. But if you do it in here, it will only make multiple choices inside your drop down. So go in here, put the entry, and then put your values that you want. So for example, I have first name, maybe dash, last name. And then the choice value can be the email. Select anything else here. Save, test the recipe, go back to your Microsoft Teams. So how do you refresh it? You just type help. It will display all your active recipes with some commands. And here's the one that I have, SF contact list. Hit submit button and blah, blah, blah. And here are all my choices.